Here's a warning from Iran, a threat from the top, and a message aimed straight at America's naval power. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Athri, and let's talk about the statement that came with chilling confidence. Not from generals, not from naval commanders, but from the supreme leader of Iran himself, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. He has delivered a fiery warning, claiming that Iran possesses weapons capable of sending enemy warships straight to the ocean floor. And the message, it was not really vague. It appeared carefully timed, strategically delivered, and globally noticed. Because at the same time, a massive American warship is operating in the region. The nuclear-powered aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln has been deployed as part of a rising military preparedness, and that too across Middle Eastern water. Well, this carrier is not just a ship, it's a floating military city packed with fighter jets, advanced missile systems, and thousands of naval personnel ready for rapid combat deployment. And now Tehran is sending a clear message that directly challenges their naval dominance here. Khamenei suggested that Iran's defense technology has kinda evolved far beyond traditional warfare. According to him, modern weapon systems, including their advanced missiles, their drones, their naval strike capabilities, could overpower even the world's most powerful fleet here. Well, it's not a military talk. No, it's not. It sounded like strategic psychological warfare, but this particular speech carried another layer, one filled with history. Khamenei declared that the United States has attempted to weaken Iran for nearly 5 decades, and it failed. He insisted that Iran has survived sanctions, political isolation, and military pressure, and according to him, it will continue to survive. Yet, amid the fiery warning, something unexpected appeared, right? The Iranian leader also urged caution about ongoing diplomatic engagement with the United States. Yes, even while issuing military threat, he hinted that negotiations must not be judged too quickly. Basically, it's a clear sign that diplomacy and confrontation are now moving side by side. Can you picture the global chessboard right now? American warships patrolling tense water, Iran showcasing missile and drone strength, and diplomats negotiating very quietly behind the doors. And every single statement, every deployment, every warning, it adds another layer of tensions to an already fragile region. Well, here is the real fear that it's not just about weapons. It is about miscalculation, because when powerful militaries operate within striking distance of each other, even a small mistake can ignite a massive conflict. While the world is now watching closely, is this a bold rhetoric meant to strengthen Iran's negotiating position? Or is it a warning that the next confrontation in the Gulf, it could become far more dangerous than anything ever seen?